Have you ever been talking to a woman and felt like her words were more than just casual conversation? What if I told you that the way she phrases things might be her way of saying, "I want you," without actually saying it? In this video, we'll uncover 6 subtle but revealing phrases a woman who's into you might accidentally let slip. These aren't just flirty lines, they're windows into her feelings. Stick around until the end, because the last one is the ultimate giveaway, and you won't believe how common it is. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Relationships and attraction can feel like a puzzle sometimes, but don't worry, I've got the cheat sheet for you. Today, we're breaking down 6 phrases women say when they're attracted to you but might not be ready to fully admit it. These phrases can seem innocent or casual, but trust me, they reveal a lot more than you think. So grab a notepad or just sit back and relax, because once you learn these signs, you'll never miss the cues again. 1. You're so different from other guys. This phrase might sound like a harmless compliment, but it's actually her way of highlighting that you stand out to her. When a woman says this, she's not just pointing out a difference, she's subtly saying she notices you in a way she doesn't notice others. It's her way of building a connection and making you feel special. How do you respond? Don't brush it off. Say something like, "I'll take that as a compliment. What makes me different?" This not only keeps the conversation going, but also encourages her to elaborate on her feelings. 2. I feel so comfortable around you. This phrase might seem friendly, but comfort is a key indicator of attraction. If she feels comfortable with you, it means she trusts you, a crucial foundation for any romantic connection. It's also her way of letting you know that you're in her inner circle, a place most guys don't get to be. When you hear this, don't take it lightly. A great response would be, "That's awesome. I feel the same way." It's rare to have that with someone. It shows you value the bond, which can strengthen her attraction. 3. Who are you texting? This question might come across as nosy, but it's actually a sign of curiosity, and maybe a hint of jealousy. If she's asking this, she's subtly trying to gauge where your attention is and whether it's directed at someone else. Women don't ask this unless they care. Your response? Be lighthearted but reassuring. Say something like, "Oh, just a friend, don't worry, you've got my full attention." This clears the air while reinforcing her importance. 4. I can't believe you don't have a girlfriend. This phrase is her way of fishing for information while also complimenting you. When a woman says this, it's her subtle way of saying, "You're a catch. How are you still single?" She's likely hoping you'll respond in a way that opens the door to her. Respond confidently but playfully. Try something like, "I guess I've been waiting for the right person to come along." This not only keeps the conversation light, but also leaves room for her to think, "Could I be that person?" 5. We should do this again sometime. This phrase is more than just a polite comment. It's an invitation. When she says this, she's signaling that she enjoyed your company and wants to see you again. It's her way of hinting without putting herself out there too much. Your move? Be direct but enthusiastic. Say something like, "I'd love that. How about this weekend?" This shows initiative, which women find incredibly attractive. 6. What do you think of girls who... This is a sneaky one. She's not just asking for your opinion. She's testing your reaction to something personal. If she frames a question like this, she's likely trying to see how you'd feel about her choices, personality, or actions. For example, she might say, "What do you think of girls who are really ambitious?" The best response? Stay open-minded and positive. Say something like, "I think it's awesome. It shows passion and drive." This not only gives her the green light to be herself around you, but also strengthens the connection. So there you have it. 6 phrases women say when they're secretly into you. These phrases might seem casual, but they're packed with hidden meaning. The next time you're in a conversation and hear one of these, pay close attention. Don't just brush it off as small talk. It could be her way of letting you know she's interested. Now here's your challenge. The next time you hear one of these, respond with confidence and watch how the interaction evolves. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss more tips on decoding attraction and building stronger connections. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.